is pretty easy. The filter and the plug right here, all the same spot. And it's tight. Damn, it's cold. I did an evaporator once. I'm not sure if this is the car, but it was a Prius Hybrid. And you had to take all of this apart. But on this one, you had to take like piece by piece apart. And there's so many wires. So many wires. And yeah, I wish never to do one again. It was hard. I mean, I could do it, but I wish I don't have to do it again. I think that's one of the top 2 hardest evaporators that I've done.